This is Ron Varga with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia store. This is a brand new 2026 Peterbilt 589. It's got a 13,200 pound capacity steer axle with air disc brakes. It's 228 inch wheelbase, 131 inch long hood, dual sided cab exhaust, 90 gallon left hand fuel tank. She's riding around on some 11R 24/5 drive tires. It's got 46,000 pound air track rear suspension, 373 gears, locking differentials, .36-inch fifth wheel slide. Come around to this side and we've got a split fuel tank. It's got 85 gallons of fuel and 50 gallons of hydraulic oil. Tanks are all polished up real nice. Got the extra lights added underneath the cab as well as in front of the air cleaners. Stainless steel visor. Dual air horns mounted up on the roof. Got our tapered chrome steel bumper with fog lights and our heavy duty toe pin. Got our rock guards underneath the headlights. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Under here we've got our 565 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pound of torque Cummins X15. And behind that is our 18-speed manual transmission. Removable bug screen behind the grille. Inside we've got our platinum interior, air ride vinyl seats, CB radio mount, extra gauge package, pull out work tray in the dash over on the passenger side. It does have remote keyless entry. So give me a call, 706-372-4698, and let's put this truck to work for you.